Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can add music to multiple photos on Instagram post. So to do this, tap on your Instagram profile. Now you have to tap on plus icon. Now you have to tap here. So here you have to select some photos. So now I will select some photos. And now you have to click on next. So here friends, you can add different filters on your photos. And now you have to tap on next. Here you can give some caption. So after giving caption, tap on OK. And now you have to scroll down. And as you can see, there is an option called add music. You have to tap on it. And now friends, you can search music here. You can search any song depending on your taste, or you can choose your music from the suggested musics. So now I will search any song. So friends, after adding your music, you can scrub back and forth and choose the part of the song you want to start. So after selecting that part of music, you can click here. And let's say I want to add music for 15 seconds only. So I will scroll down and select 15 seconds. And now click on done. And now you have to tap here. So as you can see, my music has been added. And now you have to click on share. And if you want to share this to Facebook also, you can choose automatically share to Facebook. But if you don't want to share on Facebook, just tap on share to Instagram only. And friends, within few seconds, your post will be ready. So now you have to tap on your profile. And as you can see, there is music in my photo. So friends, if this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button and also subscribe this channel.